The wheel it turns, it comes around. It makes an ancient rumbling sound.
Lyekka, you're awake!
I am hungry. I have to eat.
Unfortunately, Stanley Tweedle is not here. But if he were, he'd make an excellent main course.
Where is Stanley?
He and my darling, delightful, delicious Zev have gone down to the planet with the dead man.
What planet?
That one.
It does not look very tasty.
I have been waiting for my Zeverific to communicate with me, but have heard nothing.
Hello? Can anybody hear me? Is anybody there? Stanley?
The wheel, it turns, it comes around. It makes an ancient rumbling sound.
This is not Stanley.
Where's Zev?
Back! They're not very strong. You can fight them.
More importantly, where is food?